Hello, I'm here to demonstrate my CS50 project. Now I am in home page. So for example, if I type Harvard and click on Google search, I will be in the result page where it shows Harvard. So when I go back and click on this image search, I will be directed to image search page. So for example, I type Harvard itself and press enter. It will be redirected directly to the result page. If I now let me show you the advanced search page. So here it is, the advanced search page. So for example, if I type in all these words, try, color, rat, crier, and here I type for example rat crier, and in none of these words I type Jack Russell and click on this advanced search button. It will be directly redirected to the result page, and this was the specification given. Thank you.